The legend says that a young woman gave King Jaime I, the Conqueror, a sweet white drink, and he liked it so much, he asked,
¿Qué es eso?
The young woman answered, "It's tiger nut milk." And the king replied,
Això no es llet, això es horchata.
Legend or reality, the horchata drink is made from tiger nuts, a typical plant from the Valencian area. It's an essential and refreshing product of the Mediterranean diet, containing countless healthy benefits. Tiger nuts are cultivated in 16 villages in the Valencian region of La Horta Nord, where the land has ideal characteristics and climate conditions for their cultivation, and that makes it the only area in Spain where they cultivate this peculiar tuber. Albalat del Sorels, Alboraya, Albuchet, Alfara del Patriarca, Almacera, Bonrepos and Mirabel, Burjasot, Foyos, Godella, Meliana, Moncada, Paterna, Rocafort, Tavernas Blancas, Valencia and Vinalesa. These are the places where nowadays they produce about 40 to 50 million litres of horchata. All the variety of customs, traditions, including the foods, are passed on from generation to generation and constitute the culture of the villages. Because of this, the Agricultural and Environmental Department passed ruling in 1995, El Reglamento de la Denominación de Origen, Chufa de Valencia, and its ruling body. In this body, we watch over the quality of the tiger nuts at each stage of their cultivation. In this way, the consumer is guaranteed that in the establishments and on the packaging where they see the quality sign of the ruling body, the tiger nut milk will have been elaborated with authentic Valencian tiger nuts, which have met with quality controls. To cultivate tiger nuts, it is necessary to follow strict guidelines very carefully. Before planting, the soil has to be prepared so that it is spongy, loose, and level. At reaping, the plants need to be parched and dry, and the burning of the tops can then proceed. Following this, the soil is loosened and separated, and the root is placed in a screening barrel which will remove any soil from the plant. Then they are transported on a belt to the hopper of the tractor. Once the reaping is finished, the harvest has to be washed. During this phase, the tiger nuts lose their roots, the skin is cleaned, and any inferior tuber are removed. This is a laborious task necessary for perfect results. Once clean, the tiger nuts lose moisture in a drying process, which lasts 3 months, and takes place on the top floor of the old houses designed for this, a slow and careful stage of the production. Once dry, they are classified and cleaned. The last stage before making the horchata is to remove impurities, those which are too small and dead ones. After the cleaning and last classification, they are mashed in a mill. Once mashed, they are mixed with a steady flow of water and then left to soak. After pressing, the first extract is sieved. This is then mixed together with the tiger nuts and about 2 liters of water for every kilogram of nuts. Then it is pressed, sieved, and this second extract is again mixed with the nuts, and now the final extract is obtained. The whole process finishes with adding of the required amount of sugar and sieved again. Once cold, it is ready to serve. The horchata is something more than a soft drink. The horchata has nutritious qualities owing to its composition. These are fundamentally 3. Because of its composition in amino acids, some amino acids specifically, it has healthy properties for the digestive tract. Because of its rich properties in soluble fiber, particularly that obtained from starch, it also contains properties helpful to the digestive system. Obviously healthy combined with its fatty acid content, it is similar to those found in olive oil, healthy properties for your heart, and low in cholesterol.
Baja el colesterol y baja también los triglicéridos.
Source of nourishment and vitamins, the horchata of Valencia is a rich and complete food. Regulating body Denominación de Origen de Chufa de Valencia.